This video is going to reveal to you how to make money online without stressing yourself, just with your mobile phone. Get me right, just with your mobile phone. No matter your age, you might be 20, you might be 30, you might be 40, you might be working somewhere else, or you might be busy. This doesn't stop you from using those websites. Just with your phone, you don't need laptop, but if you have laptop, good. But if you don't have, just make use of your phone and you are good to go with this platform. I'm about to reveal to you that will give you substantial amount of money provided if you put in the work. Wait, before we start, don't forget, making money is passion. If you don't put in the work, it will be difficult for you to get or to make the money you want to. You know what I'm saying now? So, for you to realize money on this platform, you need to put in the work. Okay, let's go straight to today's program.
Welcome to Olly Hustle Hub, your go-to place for real energy, smart moves, and the grind behind the shine.
Okay, now we move straight to the site we are going to use for the money making system. But before we move on, we have to explain one or two things for you, so you will understand how it works. There are two ways in which you can earn on this platform we are talking about. The first way is through exclusive, while the second is non-exclusive. For you to start launching your work, that is making your money on this platform, you will need 5,000 words to start. 5,000 words to start applying for a contract. Okay, for the exclusive, which is the first one, that is sign-on bonus plus completion bonus plus monthly attendance bonus plus standing out bonus. That is what exclusive entails. That is, if you start with exclusive, that is what you get at the end. And if you go for the non-exclusive, that means you are entitled to $50 non-exclusive reward plus profit share. That is when the book is completed on Good Novel first and has 150,000 words or more, you will be credited with the 50. But I will advise you go for exclusive. Other details here is the signing bonus. Let's check it very well. The exclusive reward. That is, if you go for the exclusive, which I said, those are the rewards. Number one, you have $100 which will be added to your account when your exclusive book reaches 30,000 words. When it reaches 30,000 words. The second is the MAB, which trigger the $150. You need to update any one of your exclusive books with more than 50,000 words within 25 calendar days. After receiving the first 3 times of MAP from Good Novel, the MAP reward from the first onward will be influenced by your monthly profit share. Meeting the update words and days requirement will no longer trigger your MAP if your total profit share within the calendar month does not reach $20. Can you now see? So that is under the exclusive. Other things you gain from this is the completion bonus. 150,000 to 200,000 words and the total profit share reaches 40K, you are entitled to $250. If it is 200,000 to 250,000 words and your profit reaches $40, you are entitled to $325. And if your wealth is more than 250,000 and your total profit share reaches $40 as well, you are entitled to $400. And the standout bonus is $1,000 when you are above 3,000 words. While the non-exclusive, the completion bonus is only $50. That is, the book should be completed on Good Novel first with at least 150,000 words. The total profit share reaches 40. Then you get what? $50 as your bonus, as your completion bonus. So the higher bonuses are if your book is 180 words above, your plan, that is your bonus plan, is $800. If it is 230K words above, you are entitled to $1,025. If your word is 280 words above, that means you are entitled to $1,250. And if it is 330 words above, that is what? $2,400. Can you now see this is a great deal to start with? So what are you now waiting for? Just launch your crew and type www.goodnovel.com. goodnovel.com. Once you get into the site, is either you sign up if you are new to the website, or you do what you sign in if you are already a member. It will bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface for you to start. It just goes to the left side of the website. You will see this pick create. Once you pick create, it will take you to this side. Your book cover, that is the cover of your book, the book titles, the language in which the book was written, English, Portugal, French, whatsoever. The audience you are targeting, it is male, it is female, but if you are targeting the words, you leave it there. The main audience, 16 plus, 18 plus, that is the age range of those who can read your book. So after that, you just pick next. Once you pick next, now it will take it to this area where you have to input your book. That is, you create it chapter by chapter if you want, and at times you can also create it in as a single book. This website is very promising and is paying. So what are you waiting for? AI is your best tool to use for compiling your stories. Those to AI, start generating your content, start writing your novel with AI is not something that is big deal. If you know you are finding it difficult to get it done, just write in the comment section and I will upload the video of how to use AI to write content or books. If you are joining us for the first time on this channel, don't forget to press the subscription button, notification bell, and share so that whenever we drop a new update, you'll be the first person to be notified.